We also have the latest technology, multi-storage system, which works on the system of first in and first out for best results. It can store slabs for anywhere between 6 to 10 hours at once. Accord has acquired a kiln from Modena, which works up to temperatures 1250 degrees centigrade, perfect for modern porcelain slabs. Our large capacity kiln is 220 meters in length for better performance. Accord has a robotic CMF technology for their plant automation services. CMF technology has systems for conveying and handling porcelain products during their main production stages, storage systems with laser-guided handling plus finishing and sorting lines for the finished products. Due attention is given to the entire polishing process at our production unit.
Made in India.